In this news broadcast, Arendel Sound has launched its latest innovation. The Arendel Sound 1528 speakers, designed to redefine high-performance audio. Arendel Sound introduces these speakers as the largest in their lineup, claiming to deliver a great listening experience. At the core of the 1528 is a custom carbon mid-range driver paired with an exclusive lithium magnesium tweeter, promising astonishing sonic precision. The proprietary 28mm tweeter and dual 8-inch mid-woofers produce a rich, expansive soundscape with remarkable detail and clarity. The unique waveguide technology further minimizes distortion, ensuring an immersive experience from any position in the room. The cabinet of the 1528 is crafted from high-density HDF, ensuring superior acoustic properties. Finished in a sleek satin paint, available in matte black or white, the speakers are designed to complement any home decor. With a meticulously engineered crossover network, the 1528 speakers integrate all drivers seamlessly, delivering a coherent and balanced sound, ideal from everything from classical music to high-octane movie soundtracks. Understanding that every space is unique, Arendel Sound has equipped the 1528 with adjustable settings for tailored acoustics, along with high-quality binding posts for bi-amping or bi-wiring. The Arendel Sound 1528 series just hit the market this month, with pre-orders now open. So, for audiophiles looking to elevate their sound experience, these speakers might just be the perfect choice. Stay tuned for more updates.